The ICE Open Network, better known as ION, is in the news again. Over the past week, from September 18th to 24th, its flagship product, Online Plus, moved closer to public launch. Alongside this, the team rolled out fresh partnerships, technical fixes, and user onboarding steps. A highlight of the week was ION's announcement of new integration. Online Plus added several partners, each bringing unique value to the decentralized social layer. GraphAI is one of the standouts, a project focused on turning blockchain data into real-time intelligence. It streams on-chain context for AI agents and DeFi applications, giving developers structured data they can actually use. Another addition is FanStorm, a sports-focused platform starting with soccer fans. With loyalty levels, gamification, and NFTs in the pipeline, it wants to reshape how fans interact with clubs and sponsors. Then there's StarX Network, which makes mining accessible straight from a smartphone. No bulky rigs required, just a wallet and some social features. Security also got attention with Bluepill Audit joining the fold, providing fast and affordable protections for digital assets. Beyond these, projects like WandrLust, which ties travel to tokenized rewards, and ARCOIN, which integrates augmented reality tiles into Online Plus, show just how diverse the ION ecosystem is becoming. With these additions, ION now has close to 200 partners feeding into Online Plus, each setting up hubs and bringing their own communities along. Not all updates were technical. The community has been vocal about Online Plus's readiness, and some skeptics questioned the timeline. On September 23rd, ION's official X account fired back bluntly, telling doubters to sell and move on if they weren't convinced. At the same time, CEO Lulian shared a more forward-looking message. Speaking with BSCN, he explained that Online Plus is about universality, a social layer that works on any device with a screen and a signal. In his words, quote, "No barriers, no excuses, just the internet finally on-chain for all." September 22nd marked a key milestone. ION began distributing early invites to people on the waitlist. This phased rollout helps keep the system stable as millions of users are expected to come on board. Alongside this, the team published its latest beta bulletin, confirming that Online Plus has now entered launch mode. Core components like wallet, chat, feed, and profiles are stable across builds, with refinements applied to smooth out the experience. Video uploads in the feed can now run up to 30 minutes. Notifications are better organized with pagination, and navigation between stories has been improved. Reserved usernames are now active, ensuring identity control, and even the maintenance screen has clearer wording. Behind the scenes, stability improvements were extensive. Wallet issues like incorrect balance displays, infinite loading screens, and disappearing transactions have been resolved. In chat, delivery failures and device key restoration bugs were fixed, making communication more reliable. The feed, which is central to the social experience, saw multiple upgrades. Upload times dropped, inflated like counts were corrected, and bugs around notifications and story handling were addressed. For profiles, problems with usernames, language persistence, and story interactions were ironed out. At its core, ION is a Layer 1 blockchain built for speed, scalability, and privacy. Online Plus sits on top of all of that infrastructure, blending decentralized apps with familiar features like feeds, chats, and wallet. The recent progress highlights how much effort is going into making this backbone stable. For weeks, modules have been running consistently, showing that the network can handle real-world usage. The wallet supports native tokens like ION NFTs and Snow, while the live feed and chat systems are evolving into full-scale social tools. With nearly 200 partners now live, ION is becoming more than just a blockchain. It's turning into a network where applications and communities can grow side by side, all powered by the same foundation. The public release of Online Plus is now in sight. Onboarding continues in waves, guided by user feedback and bug reports. The team's current focus is stability across different devices, making sure Online Plus feels the same whether someone logs in from a flagship smartphone or a budget device. If things go according to plan, Online Plus will soon open to everyone, not just beta testers and waitlist users.